Alright, here we're going to take the pole starter off, the Evinrude 650. Pull rope broke. Just going to take it off so we can work on it in the barn. Just 2 little bolts in here. Loosen that one up. Get this one after. The only stupid thing about this pole rope breaks. It's a pain in the butt to replace it. But the rope wasn't that good before, so I don't even know if it was real pole rope. It was just rope. And you see the rope's all up inside of there. You gotta take this apart. Take these out. Get tight. Alright, those both broke loose. I'm gonna put some stuff on there, keep it from corroding like that. Be very careful because this spring is in here. Can't quite remember how this works. I might be somewhat lucky. This whole rope out of here. You know, that new rope, or the old rope, center ties way down inside of there. So, still think it has to come apart. And on the other side of this disc here is where this spring is coiled. All up in here. So, come back to that once we get into there. I just need this old rope so I can measure how long. Yeah, see, it goes into the center. But I think I might be able to pull that out. Let's see. There's that. I will just cut the one end. That's how easy these cut it. Pull the old rope through. I just need this so I can measure out how long to make the new one. Into the center. See, it's going to be a little bit of pain. So play around with it, but we'll get it. Alright, so we got the rope fed through. I'll pull it out. I'm going to reheat this end because we had to trim off some of the wax. Tie a little knot. Make sure it's nice and tight. Pull out. Alright, so now we got the rope wrapped, not pulled back through. We're going to wrap it around clockwise here. And then when you pull it, the spring wants to pull it back in. I'll come with a different one. Alright, now we got that back on. That little notch lines up for that spring. Feels good. Mounts on the motor like that. It comes at an angle. And that feels about enough rope. Shouldn't be too much tension, just enough to hold the new handle tight up against the firewall and the little grommet there. Here's what I'm going to put on. Just a small amount. Very careful not to get it on anything. Just that one in there. Small amount of anti-seize. I don't know why they were so tight before. Why just that corrosion.
looks like a beautiful day to do this.
Yeah.
On camera. It's like -10 with wind chill.
That's probably more than that. I don't know what it is. It's cold. So we're gonna trim off this excess rope. A little bit extra.
You want to tie it first?
Cut it. Tie a small knot. That way when you pull it and the spring tightens back up, it doesn't just hang down here. And there you have it. Should have burned that.